Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to send emails, automate campaigns, and even manage contacts, Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, will help you out to figure this out. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them steps on how to install it, how to put it in your Wix website in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, all you're gonna do is go all the way to open wix.com. Make sure you're fully connected to the internet, of course. We're gonna go to this page where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. Then, all the way to the app section. Then we're gonna go to the app market or the Wix app market. We have this small search bar. We will be looking for Brevo here. It's Brevo. Okay, let's go and check this one out. Okay, so basically once you find your app, just go all the way and install it. You can also check if it's still, basically wait, let's check with the Sendinblue with the old name. As you see, you'll be able to see multiple apps that you can pick from. So pick your app, make sure you install it, check if they have any subscriptions. If you can see it on the store, it may be because you are on a different region, or maybe they just removed it. So make sure to check with the Wix app support or Wix platform support or all of this. After logging into Brevo, make sure you give them all of the information needed. Connect your Wix forms. Map from feed, make sure to match your email, phone number, and all of your information. Then enable the email automation if you want to. Test the connection and all of that. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.